Hello YouTube! Welcome to iScoot Connecticut. I'm your host Robert G. Today we are walking around my new Senada Drifter folding e-bike. The Drifter is a 500 watt bike with a 48 volt 14 amp hour battery. As you can see, it is a nice looking bike despite being an older frame design. It is flat black with green wheels and accents. The tires are 20x4 knobby tires. My preference would be for a street tire, but these knobbies are very common on budget e-bikes. The brakes are mechanical disc brakes. I would rate them as adequate. Perhaps over the winter I'll do a hydraulic brake conversion on the Drifter. The fenders are metal. I'm not a fan of fenders, but I left them on since they do protect the electrical components. The front headlight is very bright and better than expected. There are threaded holes for a rack that Senada will be releasing soon. The bike comes with folding pedals and they work very well. I might swap them out with green pedals that match the bike. The saddle is actually very nice. I assumed that I would have to replace it with a better one, but I'm going to leave it for now. My behind is very wide, so perhaps I will upgrade the saddle and seat post next year. This is the charging port for the bike. You can charge the battery with it in the frame, or you can take the battery out and bring it inside to charge. The rear rack fits the bike very well and seems very sturdy. If you go on Amazon or other websites, there are a lot of choices of top and saddlebags that should fit it nicely. The drivetrain is made up of Shimano value components. They're fine for everyday use. I want to give everyone a good view of the graphics on the bike. I like them, but everyone has their own tastes. You might be able to remove the graphics with a heat gun, but I wouldn't advise it. Being a folding bike, the handlebars are short and there's not a lot of room. We have a power button along with the plus-minus controls, a decent bell, a very bright display. It's very sunny outside right now, and the display is very easy to see. The phone holder was added by me and does not come with the bike. I got this one off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. The throttle is a half twist throttle. A lot of people change these folding bikes over to BMX handlebars, but these bars work well for me. I'm a geek when it comes to electric bikes, so I like seeing the cable management. In general, the cables run outside the frame. I actually like this better. It makes maintenance much easier. And here we go over to the other side and towards the rear of the bike. The key is under the frame. It locks the battery in place and also turns on the bike. You need to have the key in the bike in order for it to run. Senada gives you 2 keys. Take your second key and keep it in a safe place. You turn on the front light using a long press on the plus button. The light is powered by the main battery. I'm filming at dusk and you can see the light is very bright. I also have a front light on my helmet for added safety. The rear light turns on along with the front light. It also works as a brake light. I would like to thank everyone for watching. The Senada Drifter is a great little folding e-bike. Plenty of power and battery life considering the price. You can buy the bike directly from Senada or from their Amazon store. Check around for the best price and any discount codes or sales. I do not receive any commission or royalties if you buy one. Please like this video and subscribe to the iScoot Connecticut YouTube channel.